Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can turn ChatGPT into your fantasy football assistant, essentially a start-sit assistant to set your teams each week by you just uploading your entire roster with a screenshot. It's that simple. So the prompt is so simple as well. All it is a copy pastable prompt. You can copy it from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Once you have it, you paste it, you hit enter, then it'll either ask you a series of questions or just ask for the screenshot itself of your specific lineup that you're trying to figure out who you want to start. So what's worth noting though is you can go through the prompt yourself, and as you can see here, there's a league settings area. Now, you're going to want to edit that for your exact criteria for whatever it is that you're doing in your specific league. Like, as you can see for me, I said 10 teams, full PPR, and then I give the roster design. And then I have like all the other stuff that you can go through regarding the prompt, but just adjusting that so it aligns with your exact stuff. And then it's going to analyze all kinds of different things and make sure to pick the best selection for your specific start-sit decisions. So it gives us the QB decisions and it goes over all these different things. Just go through the prompt and make sure in that first area, and I believe this area here where it says for optimal lineup, or it asks for output format, that you adjust it for whatever it is that you're actually creating. See, it says here that there's QB, RB, wide receiver, tight end, and then flex. Some teams don't have flex, or they're doing some other type of league with different settings. You need to just adjust that accordingly by editing the prompt. Just look at the way that mine is done. You copy, paste, and then edit yourself only in those areas. But beyond that, it's ready to use. As we see here, bench, it also says list every bench player. Then important start-sit decisions, only discuss the decisions that were genuinely close. And it goes over all the other metrics and then ideally gives us the best decision possible. So I'm going to hit enter. So once again, if you guys want this prompt, you can get it from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Just paste it. Edit your settings to what you're dealing with, whether it's 10 teams, 12 teams, whatever, full PPR, half PPR, and then just hit enter and it'll be good to go. So as we see here, it states that adopted. When you upload your roster screenshot, I'll use this exact framework to set your strongest lineup for that NFL week. I'll verify current injuries, roles, projections, Vegas context, matchups, weather, and usage before making a call. And then it's going to give us the lineup. So I'm going to go ahead and upload one of my lineups and see what it does. Alright, so I went ahead and uploaded my lineup from Sleeper, and this is what it gave us. It says optimal lineup week 1, Jackson Dart, Bijan Robinson, and all of the people that I pretty much already have in the starting positions. Then it goes over the bench, all the people that I have on my bench. Your existing lineup is currently the lineup I would use, so it liked what I had already. Then it goes over important sit decisions, DJ Moore versus Marvin Harrison, and it tells us what we should do. Start DJ Moore. That's one where I was kind of on the fence as well. And it goes over as to why, the safe play. Then it goes over Travis Etienne versus J.K. Dobbins or Corum, and it explains that. Neighbors versus Harrison. I'm definitely more on Neighbors here, but it goes over all of this, then the injury news and stuff to watch. And as you can see, it gives us a optimal lineup and breaks down why, and then it'll also give us injury news, things to watch, and a final verdict as to why this works, and then also whether we should keep our DST or change our kicker, and all of those different things. So we get a full analysis of our starting lineup to work with for the given week. So another thing that you can do from here is if you had something that you weren't sure of, someone that you wanted to start, and for whatever reason it wasn't put into the starting lineup, you can ask it, why not, for instance, Marvin Harrison? Why not him? And then you can go back and forth with it, and it'll use the metrics that we utilized in the prompt to analyze and give you an understanding as to why he's not the proper pick for the given week. And it's that simple. So once again, if you guys want the prompt, you can get it from the description of the video or the pinned comment. Simply copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, edit the settings, like I said, accordingly to whatever it is that you're doing, and then it'll ask you to basically upload a screenshot. You provide the screenshot, and then it'll give you its analysis, and then from there, each week you can continually upload it again and tell it the given matchup. And if you want to give it more context, you can even show who you're up against, because sometimes maybe it's better to have a, more of a ceiling player, or depending on the position you're in at that given time, maybe it's toward the end of the season and you need to win. It's a must win and you don't want to play it safe. That's where these things can kind of change, but by giving ChatGPT context once using this prompt is exactly where it'll take these things in consideration and then give you the best lineup possible, following analytics and actual data through all of the stuff that we included in the prompt. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. and have a nice day.